Today we have a 2008 Honda CR-V. We're replacing the outer tire joints. So let's lift it up and get it.
So to replace the outer tie rod here, first thing I'll do is with a 19mm socket and an impact, take off the wheel. And then with a pair of pliers, remove the cotter pin here. And then with a 19 wrench, turn this clockwise here, this nut, to break this off. So as you can see right there, move it forward. And then with a 19 impact, we're gonna remove this socket, or this nut here. And then with either a ball joint removal tool or just a big hammer, we're gonna hit it here to knock this out. Once you do that, you can get this out. So after striking right here with that large hammer, pops right out. So now what we're doing is just gonna twist this counterclockwise, making sure to count each rotation so that we know a general estimate of where the new outer tie rod should be. So that was one rotation. I'm just gonna keep doing this all the way through. So the old one's removed. Here's my new one here, ISG brand. So I'm gonna go back in. Mine was 17 rotations. Just gonna go 1, 2, all the way to 17. Then tighten it down and place it back in. So I have the outer tie rod placed in here now. We're gonna go ahead and just use our impact and hit this in. Or you can use a torque wrench and tighten this down to 40 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna hit it with my impact. I've already tightened this pretty much, counterclockwise, so it comes back on this. So I'm gonna tighten this down and throw our cotter pin in. All right, y'all, so I've tightened this down and threw my new cotter pin in there, and we're done. So I'll take it to alignment, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.